Okay, good morning, everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. So, just waiting for this news to come out. Which was GDP, was it? It was claimant count change, average earnings index, and unemployment rate. Okay, so average earnings index, changing the price business is going to pay for labor. It's going up. Quite a big push over here, though, yeah. 50 pip push into the stratosphere again. Very nice. GJ breaking the highs. Beautiful stuff. Still continuing. Nice. GJ soaring. Yeah, this is nice later on. I think Raja took this. This was beautiful, but at 3 o'clock, man. Like, why are the moves so fucking late? When was this Goldie? Yeah, Goldie was okay, to be fair. Break, retest, 50-minute close bearish. So the 2 o'clock candle, yeah, 2:30, then the retracement. Wowza. You want a retracement on GJ? Yeah, I'm not asked about GJ. It's just high again. It's just like yesterday. You want to get it in the low like this. But the news has pushed it. Yeah, I was just at GJ buy later on for a quick 50 pips. Yeah, that was nice, man. 3 o'clock GJ push. Beautiful. How's the 15? Yeah, we came right down. Yeah, that was solid. Solid. So, yeah, Goldie's still at these lows again. 1904, 1905 is kind of where we're holding. Get rid of this. Still in this wiki area. As I say, I'm still not playing with this fucking wiki area. Considering we've filled it now, it's a little bit of a danger zone for me again. So yeah, look at the 4-hour time frames. If you look at so daily's obviously bearish. We closed bearish. We didn't close below the support, so it still could be holding. The 4-hour, you can see here, small bodies, big wicks, showing rejection already, which is what we expect around these areas. That's why I'm not taking no sells around here. The hourly, the 30-minute, yeah, looking kind of choppy through Asian session. So look to the left hand side. Yeah, you can see here. We are in the danger zone. So looking to the left hand side here, we have a fake out there. We have, major support there, but this is mainly the area here where price reacts and rejects. So looking to the right hand side now, we're right there. So yeah, I mean, what you could do for the potential sells is wait until you get a closure below 1901. But again, 1900 area. Very dangerous in terms of taking sells because it's just very close to 1900. It's a very big support. So again, I'm not really asked about gold again. Yesterday was okay. I mean, obviously it just happened later on, but when you stare at gold for all day and it doesn't really do anything, it's fine. I think the retracement here was okay. The bearish closure on the 15-minute there to continue back down was okay, but yeah, for the most part, it was all good. And then GJ here, obviously continuing up bullish. We are higher than we've ever been for a very long time, since 2016 when I was 16 years old. So it's very high. Obviously, the news has just pushed it up. So again, what you got to do is just be realistic with it. What I'd really want here is probably a retracement back down to here, see if you can make some support. That's pretty much it. So yeah, as I say, I'm taking August. I'm taking these summer months pretty slow, especially when we're in these areas. That's why I haven't really rushed on this morning, because again, gold's still in this hard area. I'm not too bothered about it. Good morning, Mel. Hope you're doing well. Good morning, Joey. Good morning, Calm. Good morning, Dennis. How are you feeling?
Good morning. Yeah, better. Much better.
Good stuff. Good stuff.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll see. We'll see with this with Goldie again. We're still kind of, for me, still in this area of rejection, which makes it quite hard. After a big rush, do you ever take sells back to the original breakout area? If no, but especially with this one, there's no audible. You can't just take a random sell. It's got to be like hitting a resistance or hitting an order block. That's how you can get it. You can't just randomly take it, because for the most part, I can still happily continue. So yeah, hopefully, you know, as I say, I'm just waiting for this Goldie to break. Again, we're still holding, you know, this big trend down. If we get the 4 hours, still holding it, still squeezing. So we're gonna see a pop one way. There was some quite big news yesterday with Russia, wasn't there, with Scotland? Where was it? I put it in the chat yesterday about Scotland intercepting 2 Russian bombers or something. Seems to have gone. What is the daily flip and the 4 hour flip? So it's just for me, I like putting the daily flip and the 4 hour flip on the chart so I can see where the higher time frames are pointing when I'm not even looking at the higher time frames. So like now, if I'm on the 30-minute here, I know that the 4 hours bearish and the daily's bearish right now. It's just nice visually to see them where they are. And you know, sometimes when the daily and the 4 hour are like this, it means that the daily's bearish and the 4 hours bullish, and it's ranging between the two. It tends to range between the two of them. It's just a good kind of extra confirmation to see if you're actually moving or not. And I like seeing it on the lower time frames. So yeah, that news, I'm interested to see like why it actually pushed here, because the news isn't that important. The unemployment rate's going up, and the average earning coming up. Average, so unemployment rate 4.2%. Interesting. 4.2%. So yeah, I think me and Dennis were speaking about this yesterday. We're just squeezing this Goldie. Still squeezing, so we've got to be patient and wait. If we look at the 4 hour time frame here, look at this. Look to the left hand side, we're at this huge brick rejection, so we could maybe try and find some buys later on. Maybe some buys. That would be great. Andrea, have you taken anything? Anything this morning? Gold buyback or break even on it. Ooh. Recently? At these lows? Very nice. Watching your stream at the gym. Very good. I'm excited to get to the gym today. And the sauna and all that good stuff. Oh, anyone watched the Newcastle, not Newcastle game, Man United game yesterday? Holy shit, they weren't playing well. Wolves were doing them in. They were doing them in, man. So yeah, you know, with a GJ push like this, don't worry too much about. And if you wanted to get in, you just have to have a buy stop here. That's the only way to get in. And then this news trade. Wolves deserve something. Yeah, Wolves got robbed. Yeah, how is that not a pen as well? That when the Onana came out, that's 100% a pen. He actually did some good saves, eh? Onana. Onana. So looking like we're maybe coming back down here. You know, we are so high up on this GJ. Projections are gonna happen. They're gonna happen. But yeah, really waiting for this week to get kind of pop out of this zone on Goldie. It's the easiest way to get in. Just waiting for it to push. Wolves should have converted the chance they got. Yeah. I looked at the recap and there was like one chance for Man United. The rest was all Wolves. We're like 13 pips back down. Oh, you got the right, the low as well. Yeah, right in the morning. It was a good try. Yesterday I had a good opportunity after NYSC. That Raja trade was sick. Yeah, it's just so late on for GJ, man. Like 3 o'clock on GJ is pretty late. But yeah, it was nice. Tell me when 15 flip bearish, 1 second push back up. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, breaking reaches. That's fair then. Couldn't really hold it. So yeah, I mean, and also with goalie, because we've been squeezing so much, the zones are quite small, so it's quite hard to find it. 5 minutes already made a little bit of a W here. But yeah, as I say, I'm wanting the direction for me now. Either to close below all of this and get below 1900, below all of this wedge, like we're back in again, or to push back up. This whole area for me is a pain in the ass. You look at this trend line on the 5 minute. Yeah, and the one above would be a little bit nice. Yeah, a little bit later on. It's a good chance. Asian session didn't really do anything again. Kind of just sat around between 1908 and 1903. I still moved 50 pips, to be fair. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, I think that's the one that I like. Breaking above there would be good. How is that not a foul? I just don't get it. Oh yeah, everyone's kicking off it on mine. He just fully ran at him. So yeah, I mean, especially with... Oh, this is good. Yes, Goody's coming up. Especially with this range breaking up. I mean, maybe from 1908 you can get some sort of retracement as well. We'll see. That'll be breaking all the 4 hours. You missed Neymar to sign for Newcastle? Yeah. Yeah, Neymar's going somewhere else, eh? He's going to the Saudi as well. Let me draw this 30-minute. There was a couple of trend lines yesterday that held pretty nicely, actually. We're looking at them. This one now. So you can see we're squeezing. It's getting smaller and smaller, so it's bound to break at some point. So we'll wait for that. Big news tonight as well should clear this choppy price action. Retail sales, yeah. All that kind of stuff. That should be good. Saudi's money is like NFP news. They're shaking the market, isn't it, man? You have gone now. Like, there's been quite a lot, quite a substantial amount. Also for GJ, yeah. Let's take a look then. 3 o'clock. So the retracement was pretty hard here again at 3 o'clock. Yeah, we ripped back up. How was the 5 minute? A little bit of a W. 310 ripped it back up. This is when I was looking at the news here, and that was when I saw about the Scotland seen some Russian bombers. But it looks like it's not here now, so I don't know if it was fake. So yeah, I think the easiest way to do today is wait for this Goldie to pop back up. That's pretty much it. Pretty much it. GJ, as I say, when you get to these highs, you know, one rejection can ruin your day. You've got to be able to get in lower. Can you see what happened yesterday? Like, Came back up, rejected again. People would have got slaughtered on them buys. Then came back down, made some support, and it continued. So yeah, that was okay. That buy there was not bad. But try not to get the all highs. It just makes it harder for you. Don't waste your time. I know where Kiko is this morning. I know Elohe is still on holiday, I think. Retail sales today, I actually don't know what Gold wants to do. What else? Gold playing with your feet. Gold is up again. Very true, Christian, I agree. Yeah, buy up some gold, boy. Get some chunks of gold. Yeah, so people didn't see yesterday. Look at this horrendous. He just ran at him. This shit. Yeah, hello. He just ran at him. What the fuck? How is that not a pen? He didn't get the ball at all. What? How are they look at that and don't give that? I just don't get it. Mad, man. So there we go. Goldie make a big push up, and then we reject again. Yeah, I think this gold's gonna have to wait for this news again yesterday. Today. There's definitely something going on. We're starting to really fully squeeze here. Even the move yesterday, the move that happened, I think was at 2 o'clock. I just pushed. No, it was 1 o'clock. Yeah, 1 o'clock just dumped 100 pips. Like, holy. Started with one 3-minute candle. The NY Open was weird, dropping right away. It wasn't even NY Open though, it was at 1 o'clock, like 1:30, 2:30, like it's gonna be the push. It just happened at 1 o'clock randomly. So yeah, and we wanted, like yesterday we were discussing as a group, we wanted, we basically wanted, yeah, 1909 to 1906. Like, yeah, this is my area I wanted to get. But again, the 15 just closed, and then your stops are massive. So the stops you could have ran there were 40 pips. You got 37 from it. And then again, the trade that Don took, you know, the pull up, I said that it's gonna reject 906. It is right on my support. Pulled up, which is good. Break and retest, then 15 closed bearish to continue. I think this one was alright, to be fair. 215. But again, it's just this zone that we're in. You know, if you get the wrong candle with a push, like this one here, and you just get rinsed, it's just not the nicest area. So much support. Yeah, it was not come to get in that zone. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. $185. Wow. Wowza, wowza, wowza. Consistent daily candles here though, look at that. Always need breaking the highs, not the lows, is good. With how your last 2 months have been, has your confidence lowered when executing trades? I wouldn't say the confidence has gone, it's just I'm being a bit more focused on what zones to get into and knowing that, you know, a lot of the areas right now are not working, so just backing off. So if you call that a loss of confidence, and fair, but it's just knowing that things are not the best right now in terms of price, so it's just instead of trying to get in aggressively, just back off. Back off. And I just want to see with my eyes, you know, some good, solid, normal trades that I would be normally taking. You know, like if you actually look at overall in recent times, recently London hasn't really done much, to be fair, with most of them. Until later on, get the pushes, but I'm just watching how price is moving. It's mainly when the daily time frames are not really going anywhere, which tends to be harder, but also because it's the summer months. The summer months. Okay, good stuff. GJ coming up again. This is nice. Making up new zones, which is good. Pushing nicely. Keep her going. So yeah, I'd always say if you're having a time where it's maybe a little bit slow or whatever, then just back off, you know. especially when the you know the time frames are looking very, very hard. Like here, there's no real clean ranges. We're just squeezing. Good morning, Carl, my boy.
What's up, gang?
Sup, how you doing?
Good, brother, good. Just waiting for fucking some movement.
Yes, sir. What did you get yesterday? Did you get the buys with Don?
Yeah, I got the buys, and then I caught the 4-hour break of lows during Asia for 20 pips. So right when it broke the previous 4-hour low, I got in right away, and then it drove up 20 pips.
Nice. Yeah.
It's been liking to break those lows and pull back.
Yeah, 100%. 100%. Yeah, Don's trade today. I actually, you know, I like Don's trade today. Sorry, yesterday it was at a support. You know, you're gonna get a pullback before 2 o'clock. So those pullbacks are quite aggressive.
Especially because daily just been rejecting this level like all. I'm gonna have to see some closures below 1902 to drive down. I don't know.
Yeah, 100%. It's gonna get further below 100%. I think it's gonna pop bullish at one point, but we gotta wait for it. We gotta wait for it today. Looking like the weather's getting nice.
I wonder when GJ's gonna make some resistance, because this shit's crazy, bro.
In it that pushes up a fire. Yeah, so yesterday.
This is the highest it's ever been, yeah?
In a while, yeah, like fucking 5 years or something. 6 years, 7 years.
Maybe I just don't have enough data on my trading view. I couldn't see it.
Yeah, it's the last time we were here was 20.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, man, that's 8 years. God damn, that's 15. So I started learning to trade I was probably trading actually, yeah, around here.
Yeah, I was probably trying to buy when that shit was just tanking.
Yeah. GJ was a textbook trade. Why didn't you take it? What trade was textbook about it? The 50-minute. I don't like taking GJ buys of highs. For me, there's no point. Of recent highs, there's more chance I get break even or lose than there is push. So I'm not bothered. I want to get in lower, and this, you know, the news pushed it, so it's whatever. It's whatever. But yeah, I was definitely thinking, yeah, next year if the summer months are going to be like this, where they're just a little bit too hard to find, and I'm just going to dip for 3 months, 100%. Go traveling or something. Go traveling, come back in September.
Let the mods take over the stream.
Yeah, lovely Lohe do some streams over here.
Yeah. Let Alohi take over the streams.
Yeah, 100%. Get Elohe on that bad boy. It takes some nice good trades in Asian session as well. You do Asian as well. Love you, Max. Thank you very much, Dag Banana. 16 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream up. We're chilling on a beautiful Tuesday. Yesterday I did some nice stuff. Getting the flat back to normal now, because the fix the carpet, which is good. But it took a long time. That was a real pain in the ass. So I feel much better now. Sorted yesterday. So yeah, obviously this 4 hour, it really needs to close below even 91. But again, 1900 is going to be a serious like wick zone, man. I don't want to be caught in getting a trade to 1900. I think for me the only time I'm going to look for trade is buys today. I can't take these sells. There's just too much rejection. You know, we need a solid bearish closure below all this crap for me to look at sells. Because all this zone below 1885 is nice. Very good. Ah, so the UK wages, yeah, the UK wages that went up nice. Weight loss apps to offer NHS help to obese. Weight loss app. Weight loss. Oh yeah, they've been doing like a weight loss drug as well. All you gotta do is just stop fucking eating, bro. It's not hard. Holy shit. It's not rocket science. Stop fucking putting shit in your mouth. I don't get that, mate. Like, I know I'm a bit on the porky side at the moment, but I know why. Because I fucking eat too much. It's not rocket science. Eat less, work out, problem solved, yeah. Yeah, it's like, how do you stop over trading? Just stop trading. Just chill out. I even think, like, on losing days, yeah, like, stop trading at all. But in winning days, still look. Because normally it tends to be, if there's a good day, there's more trades in that one day. Don't let them know your next move. Wow, GJ's still going. We're still going. Come on, make all these new zone. That'll be nice. So looking like we're already starting to, I mean, the unemployment rate's gonna increase actually, so it's still, that's not the best. 4.2% is quite a lot. .2%. So gym day today. Probably gonna go do chest again. Get that bad boy right up. What's Daniel Savage posted up? This new indicator.
Better please, motherfucker.
Why does he want that?
Bro, selling a free indicator, but you gotta pay $75 to learn how to use it.
Oh my god, yo, are you looking at this indicator, bro?
Yes, sir.
Holy grail of indicators, right? Bro, it's clear.
Holy grail indicator. One trade. One trade. Nice. Yo, does time start going fast when you get older? Yes. It was March yesterday. Yeah, man, time goes way too quick. I need that bitch to slow down. Geo employment changes was minus 4K. Yeah. I think the JPY as well is just very, very weak recently, eh? Very weak. So yeah, we just gotta wait for this bad boy to break. There you go, another 15-minute candle closure bullish. Very nice. But yeah, as I say, after an extended period of time with news, it's easier to wait for the retracements later on than get in now. That's what you gotta think about. Because you know that price is gonna retest at some point. Best to wait until it does that. Max checked Memphis to pay his goal yesterday. Oh, I'll check in a sec. Max, when was the last time you only focused on one session per day? Maybe some thoughts. I mean, never really. I've always looked at both, unless there's like a bank holiday on one of them. The issue is that if you do one session a day, in recent times, you know, there's been, you know, sessions that do absolutely nothing, so it'd just be a waste of time doing.
Last season at the start of the campaign, and Atletico Madrid will very...
I see. Ah, nice, nice, nice. We like to see. So we've got 10 minutes until the hourly comes, and yeah, we're just still waiting patiently here. We know this bounce is gonna come later on. So yeah, this week I've started to film that new TikTok that I'm gonna do about my little journey, which will be good. But what I've decided is I'm gonna make like 30 videos and then I'll start posting them. So that'll be good. Excited for that. So I've already made like 3. Gonna make like a big batch and then I can post them. And it'll be all about like what I'm going through right now, you know, in terms of mentally, physically. Give you guys some perspective of people's lives. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're not, and showing you how to deal with them. I think it's good, like, you know, the whole social media thing, it's all nice and well seeing people, you know, live the higher life and it's all good, but for a lot of the time it's not like that. It's stress, a lot more issues, so that's why I'm gonna make it. When's the new Apple event as well? Apparently they're not even doing that much, which is a bit crap. The new watches as well, they're not going to do much, which is great. Normally the leaks are pretty sound at the moment. Yeah, I think today on Gully you're gonna have to wait until later on again. At 1:30, 2 o'clock. We'll start NY like 1 o'clock, I think. Again. And that's when we're gonna get a push. Yes, I went out for my mate's birthday. What was it, on Saturday? And wow, I was not arsed in the slightest about going out. Really could not be arsed in the slightest. And when I went, I said, yeah, whatever. Same old, same old. Not bothered about it at all. 100 people over here, 20 likes, amazing stuff. Coming towards London Open in 5 minutes. London Open. And as I say, yeah, we're just chilling and waiting for this to pop one way or the other. Later on, core retail sales, Empire State Manufacturing retail sales. Yeah, I mean, it's quite important right now to see the retail sales. So yeah, it's probably gonna wait for this news to come out 1:30. 1:30. So in terms of this candle closure on GJ, you're going to see probably some sort of retracement here now. GJ takes money at the highs, asks stop loss matters. That's wait, that's when I think about it. I want to show you yeah, me and Brian came to the conclusive thing. It's just there's no point in taking these highs. It's just it's a dangerous game. The amount of money you can make from it is pretty low, especially for the fact most of it you get break even. What are you looking for in gold? Nothing really, bro. We need to wait for some volume and some direction here. Again, it's the same issue as yesterday, but even worse now because we're right at the supports. You know, we have supports to the left hand side here, which means you can't take sells down to here. It's too risky for a retracement. So you're looking for buys, but you've got to wait. You've got to wait much higher, much later on. Maybe to break the trend, maybe to break the trend retest. But again, the zones, because we've been squeezing so tight, the zones are all pretty tight as well. So it's just a time where you've got to be patient. The 4 hour candle yesterday was actually nice at 2 PM. Yeah, it was decent. I mean, to be fair, the 4 hour closed bullish though, so that's why I kind of left it and we just nutted back down straight off the rip, didn't it? No, sorry, the 4 hour did close bearish below. But again, it was in this area. I just don't like this area. This area sucks. Okay, so you can see here now, GJ is going to reject probably here and make a low wick for the new hourly and retrace a little bit. Trade shops and wait, let's give him a like. He's smashing it. He's got a lot of people following him. What's he in? So he's in the GA buys. Yeah, the issue is here is the 8 o'clock candle can make quite a big low wick here. And just buying the highs can be a little bit hard. We'll see. It's either both ways, but again, it's the issue of, you know, when this hourly comes, if you start to retrace, the lower wick can be quite aggressive. Because again, we haven't retested, and you know, only change the structure breaks that low, so we can retrace pretty hard here. And again, the drawdown is not what you want. Like it's staying up though. Let's see. Is it gonna pop? Is it gonna pop? So 30-minute opened. New hourly has to go make a lower wick. So here's gonna be the pullback. And what you normally see from like on sims, an overextended, you know, push is the lower wick can be quite long. So realistically, you want to be getting into trades, you know, on the breaks there with obviously the news, or even, you know, lower down in these areas. Then you don't have to worry about this bullshit. Roger caught this breakout. I bet he did. Did he have a buy stop? And yet, Goldie is really not doing nothing. Lord. It just does make your job just a little bit easier. You just gotta be patient. Patient. So now there's the lower wick. It wasn't an aggressive lower wick. You could be okay now. Hopefully this drives, breaks the high. If it then re-breaks that low, you're going to be in some issues. So if I was in the buy, like trade sharp right now, I'd be probably managing if you break that low. Because you really want the drive. This drawdown could be pretty rough. Do you think gold is waiting for FOMC for the real moves? Yeah, I think it's it's a mixture of news, but I think it's also just price where it's at. It's a very difficult area. You know, it's near 1900. Major support. So it's just a little bit too hard in terms of that regard. So there you go, might survived it. Now you're gonna hope this pushes. Are you gonna push, GJ? And there we go, there's the rejection again, and now you're gonna be pretty fucked. And the GJ. Why is Roger going on about low latency? It's really not that important. What, when you close, it's like a millisecond more. It's really not that important. You're such a marker, it hurts, man. As long as it doesn't take you 5 minutes to close, I think it's all good. Hi, new to the channel from India. Oh, very nice. I want to go visit India. What's some proper Indian food? Because I feel like English Indian food is just completely different. Isn't it a bank holiday? What the fuck? Is it? I think Euro bank holiday. What is that even for, though? Biryani, oh yes. With that spread, he needs to find something to his fist. There you have Independence Day. Oh, very nice. And there we go, rejected. So again, when it's overextended, it's just more of an issue. You're just hoping for the push. If the push doesn't come, it's a little bit tough. So it's a holiday for Christians. What day is it? I have no idea what went on. I'm actually gonna read the Bible soon. I've decided I'm gonna go read it. See what the crack is. See what the crack is. Should I be trading EU since it's a holiday? No. You shouldn't really be trading EU. Okay. Okay, if you are so lie, let's do it. We read the Bible. Which Bible should we buy? Which one to buy, bro? Read the Bible. Have you seen it? No. I mean, I know some like stories maybe from like school and shit, but have you tried any famous Indian food yet? It depends though, because I have Indians all the time here, but I don't know if it's real Indian. Like kormas. Chicken tikka masala is actually English, I'm pretty sure. Samosas, onion bhajis, oh, naan breads, fuck. It's making me hungry. Oh, I love Indian food, man. Holy shit.
That in the morning, huh?
Yeah. Indian food is very popular in England. Man.
Yeah.
Is it where you're from, Dennis? Indian food, you get Indians.
Yeah, we have an Indian restaurant in nearby.
Yeah, it's fire. I love it. Veggie samosas are the best. No, man, I need some meat in that. Put some lamb in that. Oh, fuck. And I love their poppadoms with all the sauces, the mango chutney. Oh my god. Too good, too good. And there we go. GA is ready for the downfall. So, again, if you look at the 5 minute, where should we really go now? Well, realistically, we already retested this one, so we should really now go retest here. Okay? Because we've broken above here, not retested. So this would be probably where we're going to go to first. Then if it breaks there, we're going to come back and retest here. Try shawarma. What's that? Eat biryani. I do eat biryanis. Is IC markets down for anyone else? No, mine's fine. Mine's all good. It's like Turkish food in Germany. Do you like catch? Can you show some glimpse outside of your window? Yeah, look, the sun's actually beating down now. Bruh. Nice. It's very nice. Do you trade cryptos? Nah.
No, only me.
Dennis is the crypto man.
I'm in the cell of DJ.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
Where from?
From 18519.
Nice, good stuff, man.
Yeah, because it is an old armpit in the past from Friday 4 December on the daily.
Oh, okay, very nice. A little bit of an armpit.
Yeah. So the candle from 4 December, the 15th of 2000, Friday 4 December 2015.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, the candle before the drop,
That one.
the green one. Yeah, and there's 18519.
Yeah, that's nice. Very good, very good. This goalie is not doing anything.
No.
Have you traveled to Syria? No. Hey Max, you mentioned a couple months ago you're considering moving to Dubai. Is that the plan still alive? Yes. Maybe later on then. Maybe when I'm like 28 or something. 7. Later on. There you go, tap the little bit of support, 185060. Yeah, still nothing on Goldie over here. What's your favorite tourist place? I still like Dubai, to be fair, but other places like Spain. I want to go to Italy more. Italia. Need to wait for retracements on Goldie. Sorry, on GJ. Better to wait for some retracements, wait for some support to form later on.
We will see, we will see.
What's your percentage for the month? I'm probably like down like minus 0.5 or 6, I think. I'll go back home to Sweden next month. Oh, very nice. Sweden. I just can't believe it's August now. Jesus Christ, there's so much disappeared.
Unbelievable.
Yeah. Too quick, man.
Yeah. Ooh, retracement. Yep.
Are you from London? No, I'm from Newcastle. What was your best month? It was February. Yeah, February. 13%. The most delicious food is Georgian and Uzbek food. I think the best food's still gotta be. It depends, I don't know. Italian's gotta be up there though, man.
Italian food is really good.
Yeah, it's just consistent, like.
Yeah, it is.
I'm placing the buy stop on GJ Max. We did reject. You're placing the buy stop on GJ? Go for it. For me, it's way too overextended.
Yeah.
If it taps you in and doesn't put you in 5 pips proper straight away, you're gonna have a hard time. For me, it's just learning. I think me and Brian have discussed this quite a lot recently. There's no point. Christian's in the gym. Very
Oh,
nice.
look on the left, right.
Yeah. He's gonna get told off. Very nice, DA. Good, nice little push.
He was pretending to make a photo of the gym, but
Kiko, where did you get in, brother? Wow, you're getting low. Don't have to trade every day, so now it's best to wait for zones to form 100%. You know, if I think about my rules and values back, you know, in recent times, obviously we've been changing, changing to try and get different entries, but here, I still wouldn't have touched anything. You know, when I started streaming, I wouldn't touch these zones. No point. No point. Ah, just being off, yeah. Yeah, we've been a little bit unfortunate with closures as well, eh? When we closed, it fucking ran another 10 pips in my last 2 ones. And a bit unfortunate with Goldie on Friday. Friday was, yeah, a bit of a pain. Maras FX is looking for shorts. I thought you'd trade similar. Who the fuck is Mara FX? GJ, I'm waiting for a decent sized zone to form. Would you agree? At the moment, no idea where it could go. Yeah. Go wait for some rotation, see if it holds support, and then continue to the highs. Normally, GJ, when GJ makes a high and retraces and makes some support, we get back to the high. Max, that's 3 months in negative. Last 2 months have been -1%, -3. Then this month is like -1.3. So it's very low losses, which is good. But yeah, it's just patience. It's in these zones for me that I just, you know, it's all well and nice. Like I could have easily taken Donald's trade yesterday, but the stops are just fucking massive. I'm not risking. I'd rather just wait until the zones get nicer. Unless GG. Again, 15-minute has no bottom wick. Really like it's probably gonna go make one at some point. The next 9 minutes. So yeah, I think your buys are a bit too late now. When we get buys this morning, we'd have to be in a buy stop with the news really here. Could have made it for the lower wick here, maybe break at the high to get a push. But again, 184, 185 is right there. Maybe you could have ride to 185. Sell 20. I'm not sure if Maxi ends this one negative as well. Very nice, Mac. Thank you for your positive words. Goldie is just not doing nothing. Look at them lower time frames. Holy. Maybe waiting for the news later on. There we go. We flipped on the 15. Yeah, best thing to do is wait for some retracements. It's the easiest way to do it. We're squeezing. Either gonna see, big breakdown, big break up. Because that's been holding for a while. Whole of August, really. This gold is killing me slowly. Gold's killed me for a while. I think Andrea, you're the one that said on Friday, last Friday, I was fucking biggest pain in the ass. These bloody candles wick me out by 1 pip or something. It's fucking hard luck, bro. Why did I have to come back down and wick me and then continue? It's like, just fucking go. The 5s. Like, what is this horse shit? God, that was hard. You see, that's why Raja recently hasn't been taking much really apart on gold. He's been taking stuff on GJ because it's just there's no breakouts, there's no breaking out of anywhere. It's just ranging, it's just bouncing. That's why Raja's leaving it. Leaving it alone.
Yo,
Kiko in the building.
I can't throw my headphones on the Zoom. What the hell?
Oh, what?
I used to be able to connect my AirPods to Zoom, but the Zoom noise is coming out of my laptop.
Ah.
I don't know why.
Weird.
I can't choose it as a speaker as well.
Did you take anything this morning?
Yeah, I took that, but I didn't fucking close.
Yeah.
I got even.
You're getting in low, to be fair. It was worth it. It was worth a shot.
And then, yeah, I took also buys from the low again.
Again?
I took this one. From here. To here.
Yeah, it's
I
very
want buys
sloppy.
again in these levels.
Yeah. Yeah, we just gotta wait.
Do you know what I want to see? I want to see a spike down. And then when it spikes down, I'll start taking buys.
Yeah, a little liquidity wick. That would be nice. Here we go, GJ.
Bro, look at this.
There you go. Yeah. It's all good. Again, no, because the news comes out and we're coming into new territory as well, I'm a bit cautious of just how aggressive the tracing can be, because it's not like breaking into a nice clean zone. It like hasn't been here in fucking 8 years. It's like, oh, the rejection can be pretty hard here. Yeah, a little bit of an M.
Yo.
Bit of an M. So that'll be the first target that I set for people there, 950.
Oh, nice tree. Nice.
Nice, nice, nice.
I love it when a plan comes together.
Do you give me re-enter?
I was still in it.
Nice.
Okay, I'm gonna go because I can't connect this shit.
All good, all good,
I'll see you
brother.
in your.
Seeing you, brother. And yes, and yes. So yeah, that could be your first issue because we haven't retested it. Now we have, so that could pull
Yep.
back up. But again, your next target would be 184,600. Go back to that, or maybe 650.
Yep.
depending.
Well, I will try this.
Yeah, I think that could be nice. The rejection's good. Obviously, it was made with the news. It isn't made with anything else, so the news can get corrected quite easy here.
Ooh. Goalie going down, yes. Okay, close enough.
Yeah, this goalie is not moving anywhere. The news is
No,
also
it's-
pretty bad to begin with. Rejected the trend line below again. So yeah, it's just a slow start to this week, mainly for the fact of the zones. Yesterday GJ was alright, to be fair. I think it was probably the best one to do. So 15 and 30-minute close bearish, and there we go. Starts the retracement of GJ. So yeah, from personal experience, you know, if you don't get in at the most advantageous time for the buyers will run out. Especially when you go into new territory that we haven't been in for years. It's a dangerous game. There we go, there's the bounce. Hopefully it's just retesting here. But again, it's still bullish. It's still going to have pull-ups. You get the drive and you dip. Did you close some, Dennis?
Yeah, 50.
Yeah, nice. Nice, nice, nice. What other things are in the cinema at the moment? Let's take a look. Yeah, we saw the Meg. The Meg was pretty bad, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie, I wouldn't see that again. What's on? Haunted Mansion. I want to see a scary movie again. That one was sick. Mission Impossible. Has anyone seen that? Is it just the same
No.
old, same old?
Overkill in action.
Yeah.
But sometimes it's nice to see because you don't have to think about it. Just watch.
Yeah. Talk to Me was good. Yeah, Talk to Me was sick. Coming soon.
I really love shark movies. I mean,
Yeah. To be fair, that Meg 2 one though, like the
Yeah.
story was shit. But yeah, it's just sharks running around.
yeah, that's funny.
What? What the fuck is this?
Kung Fu Panda.
Is Kung Fu Panda another one?
Yeah.
Ah, very nice. The Nun 2, yes.
No.
Yeah, that's proper scary. Lord of the Rings Fellowship of the Rings.
Extended. This-
Why are they? I don't get it. Some random ones as well. Goldie's trying again.
yeah.
5 minutes. Look at 3 minutes, man. Ugh. So yeah, tomorrow and Thursday we'll do the simulation sessions. We'll continue the ones that we've just been doing from 2023. And yeah, hopefully you can have a normal week this week, which is great. No floods and no moving around different gaffs. It's a pain in the ass, that.
Yeah.
A lot of fun.
No bombers. No.
Yeah. It's a normal week.
I think from off the beginning of COVID, it's all disaster from that moment till now. We had COVID, we had floods, we have war, we have
Yeah. Exactly. So nice.
Big
before.
big fires everywhere.
We need to relax.
Yeah. What is the news today?
So yeah, I think the best thing for us to do is wait for some retracement on GJ and then wait for gold later on. There's fuck all here for gold. So yeah, I think I want this GJ to retrace to here. See what we do, and then maybe get some support later on. So I'm gonna put a alert 700. 184,750 on the down there. Because that's where I think we should go to. But yeah, I think for this morning, guys, I think we're really done. I mean, the only trade you could have taken was the buy there. Maybe continuation if you want to take these buys. But, man, taking a buy at 185, it's just... Psychological numbers are going to be hard. Okay, so yeah, I think we're going to wait later on, guys. We'll start stream. I'm going to start stream like 12 o'clock again. Start stream at 12 o'clock. Maybe 2 trades before news, and then we'll obviously we'll stay on maybe until 3 o'clock. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, thank you so much for coming on, guys, this morning. Stay safe.
You too.
There's nothing much going on here. Just chill out. Wait for a trace in there. Wait for Goldie to sort herself out, and then we'll get some later on. Okay, peace out, guys. Thank you so much.
See you.
See you
Ciao,
later.
ciao,
Ciao,
ciao.
ciao, ciao. Adios, adios, adios.
Ciao.
See you later. See you later. See you later. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. And yeah, just be patient with this. The gold's got to break at some point, but I think it's going to be later on. Okay, peace out, guys. Adios.